Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you Facebook down navigation bar new update or Facebook navigation bar down problem solve. Step 1, long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2, open Play Store. Go to search Facebook app. Update your Facebook application latest version. You make sure your Facebook application is up to date. Step 3, open your Facebook application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook down navigation bar new update problem solve or Facebook down navigation bar problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.